I know you want it, so I see you trying. Just keep on pushing more than you I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I know. He came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers. But he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, more like a couple rings.
Me too. It was so embarrassing. So I was saying it was so embarrassing because my daughter was telling me how she fell off the treadmill. And I was like, that actually happened to me too. And it was so embarrassing. Like, so let me tell y'all. One time I was training with I was training with some dudes, some personal trainers, right? And I'm trying to be cute on the treadmill. And like, he was doing like intervals, I guess, of like, so one treadmill was like a certain rate. And then the next one was a certain rate. So we were like switching, I guess, like doing like hits, interval. I don't know. I'm not a trainer. I don't know what it's called. So anyways, like by the time we were switching and I was getting onto his, he never turned the thing down for me or something like that. He never turned it back down to what I was doing or something like that. And I just got on thinking I was just finna just when I tell y'all I flew off of that treadmill. I scraped my knee and everything. I was like, this is so embarrassing. I'm never working out with a personal trainer ever again. JJ, what are you doing? Don't play like that. You could really hurt yourself.
It's your folk soldier boy, tell them I'm in the building. Everybody get on the dance floor. This girl got a dunk, she finna shake it all night. Wow, wow, she got a dunk. 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 Shake it out, 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 wow, shake it out, wow, shake it out, wow, shake it out, wow. She got a dunk, dunk. Watch her hit the flow, flow. I like the way she move and the way she snap it, way she snap it. We ain't going down. I got 5,000 ones. Me, you, and you. We about to have fun. Now go on, make it clap. That right there. Serving on something that match my shirt. I like her. I want them to do that over her. She got a dunk. She got a dunk. She got a dunk. Yeah. Whoa. I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could.
Get it. You want this upper body with me? Come on, get you some fives. They up there. That's what we gonna do. They call around the world. Scoot over. So I'm gonna hit you. Yep. Is that heavy? A little bit. Okay. See if you can do like 5. One. 2. 3. 4. One more. 5. I see the muscles, okay. Bend your arm a little bit. I'm gonna you have to go up. Is it too heavy? Pretty good, okay. Like, you ain't even trying. Yeah. Okay, now you can go forward. Not all the way up. Stop shoulder length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You feel it? 7, 8. 9, 8, 10. Now you can go up. 6, 7. I'm on her. And then you repeat that over 2 more times.
All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga. Come get off your show, savage. Say you pussy and he hit it on the nose, but that border's open. Why you acting like it's closed? I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection.
Yeah, whoa, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with Coral Reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eat Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea.
Pot of Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up.
See too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature.
I jump on your song and make a label think they need you. For real.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
Damn, maybe I should do a 20. Maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. Maybe I should break that 10, do a 5. Then if it gets loud, do a 5 again.
That's what living life is like. Living my life is golden. Living my life like it's golden. As you can see, this is my favorite mom-friendly swimsuit. You wanna go? What? What you want, man? Yeah. Okay, go. Ooh. He was a fish. Yep, he was a fish.
She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. I'm a dog, I'm on one. I can smoke already, so cold in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty faking, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time.
I know that. What's it?
Okay, y'all, we are at Michael's and I am making my sister, well, I'm painting my sister's pregnancy cast. So I got some of these flowers to put on like the bottom. I'm just trying to figure out what else. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it might be, I don't know. I like it, but I kind of don't at the same time. But I think I'm just going to just get it because I don't want to be in here all day. But yeah, I'm just trying to see how to decorate her cast. And I'm going to paint it pink, of course, because she had a girl. So yeah. Seriously though. Saturday rising. It is like 8 o'clock, and this is my second layer of paint. So I'm gonna let that dry for like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna do my third layer of paint, and then I'm gonna add all of my flowers and trims. And yeah, it's gonna be so cute. This color this pink came out so cute. Like, I just love this color pink. It like literally matches my room. But yeah, it's coming out good. I just like really can't focus because tomorrow is crunch time. Like, I leave Monday to go on the cruise to Bahamas, me and my sister. So I'm like super excited, and I just feel like I just have so much to do because I didn't want to do like my nails and my hair and everything today because, as you can see, I'm painting, and I'm just like, I'm gonna just wait. So probably tonight, retwist my hair, do my nails, do my toes, shave, do my eyebrows. Like, I just have a lot of like maintenance to do, and then you know, clean up, get organized, because I don't want to leave my house looking a mess. That's not what we finna do. And then also today is my sister's sip and see for the baby. So I'm painting this cast as kind of like a gift also. But yeah, I got some wipes, and then I got a bunch of stuff in a bag over there. So I think the sip and see is at 11. Luckily it's here at my house at the clubhouse. So I don't have to go anywhere. But yeah, so that's gonna be exciting, I guess. For some reason, it's like I feel like I didn't work out, but it's like it's Saturday. You don't have to work out if you don't want to. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just having some dandelion tea, and yeah, I think I'm going to maybe edit a little bit while this dries, because I do want to upload a vlog tonight or tomorrow. Hopefully I can. Let me edit. Let me go ahead and edit now so I can be done with it and upload it. My hair looking rough. Real rough. It's so cute. I might have to change what I got on. It's classy. It's elegant. Put on a dress.
I thought that's what you was gonna get on, but
It's so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, Rich Rising. It is Sunday, the day before my cruise, and I just feel like I have so much to do. I gotta do my hair, I gotta do my nails. Yesterday, after the sip and see, me and the kids ended up just getting in the pool and just relaxing because it was just too much going on. But yeah, so it's like 6 a.m. It is the 22nd of June. Dang, these months flying by. So I'm about to start getting ready, I guess. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm excited. Not like a bad nervous, but like nervous. Oh, my teeth look white. I just brushed my teeth with Knobs toothpaste. If you know, you know. But I'm nervous. I'm excited because it's my first time. It's me and my sister's first time on a cruise. I probably already said this 500 times, but I'm just like, we're going to Bahamas, y'all. We're going to the Bahamas. My first time out of the country. I'm so freaking excited. We're gonna have so much fun. When I tell you, we're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna make the most out of every freaking moment, and we're gonna be present, and we're gonna just enjoy it. You know, life is about enjoyment. You know. But anyway, so I need to clean my room. I was trying to finish this pregnancy cast, but you got to let it cure overnight and all that. And it started, the paint was crackling, so I ended up sanding it down again and reapplying gesso. So I'm about to do a third layer of gesso, let that dry for like an hour. And I think I might just wait to paint it. Or maybe I'll just paint it. I don't know. I think because I kind of want to be done with it before I go. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Like, I want to be done. I want to be done. But so yeah, I need to pack. I need to like clean my room, get organized. I got stuff everywhere. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. But look at the beautiful sky. Yes, it's so beautiful. Gratitude. Yes, ashe. All right, let's get busy. All right, it is 9:34. I just finished editing and uploading a YouTube video. It's uploaded. So what are you doing? Why are you not watching it? It's uploaded. Why are you not watching it? Why you didn't watch it yet? It's already uploaded. I'm about to finally do my hair, guys. Okay, so this time I got 2 of these because I feel like I didn't get all up and through there like I needed to. So I got 2 boxes. So I'm about to do this right quick, rinse it out, and then retwist. So yeah. You guys, I tried to do some 2-strand twist. I think they came out okay. Practice makes perfect. Yeah.
What do you want to do with this conditioner?
What conditioner?
This conditioner.
I think I did a pretty good job. I think I did a pretty okay job, you know, for the freeski. Yeah. So you know me, I'll probably do like a half up, half down, you know, style, some kind of way. Ooh, they're kind of tight, baby. Baby girl. Something. Because that's just what I do. But for now, I'm gonna just leave them. I'm gonna just let them hang so they can dry. It was a struggle. I'm gonna just say that. Anyways, I need to finish organizing and getting packed, so that's what I'm about to do. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned because the travel vlog is coming up next. The cruise vlog is coming up next. Okay? Anyway, sending you nothing but love, light, happiness, peace, joy, abundance, all the good things.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.